Paano kumain?
This is like some fear factor shit right now, man. You know? This is like, oh, cheers. Are you taking a video right now?
Yeah.
Okay, so inside of this thing, alright, there is a chicken that is chicken or duck?
Duck.
Duck that is 1 day old. Okay, so it is almost fully developed. Alright, but I'm gonna eat it because I want to. Or because they're making me. One or the other.
Oh, cheers!
Okay.
Okay.
Can we eat the shell?
No.
The first is you will
Okay.
Crack it.
crack it like that.
Okay, alright. Oh man.
Slowly. Okay.
He's gonna eat balloon.
Welcome to the Philippines, Joe.
Yeah, I need lots of salt. Oh
Put some salt here.
my gosh. You got any hot sauce?
Wala! No, you don't need it.
Malasa ko yung ano.
Sir, meron po yan. Meron po yan. Kumbaga sa ating nakatulog.
Oh, is it?
You want the soup.
You taste the soup. Okay.
Yeah.
Taste the soup.
Yeah.
Go.
Everybody eats this.
Okay, great. Alright.
Grab the fish.
It's good.
Interesting. Tastes like chicken broth.
Yeah. And then,
Oh god.
at least you haven't thrown up yet. That's good.
This is the.
You gotta keep drinking the soup.
Yeah, you first.
Oh, okay.
The soup.
Drink all the soup.
Yes. More salt.
Oh yeah. Give me some more salt. Like, a lot more salt, so much more salt. And then some of this too.
Oh.
God.
Chili.
Okay, chili, yeah.
Cheers. It's more fun in the Philippines.
It's more interesting in the Philippines. This is what it is.
Ano yan? Pero yan?
Parang pwede.
So you continue to break it down. Oh my gosh, man.
You sit.
Oh
Ito yung barbecue natin.
You will sit that black. Duck. Actually, it's a duck.
Yeah, it's a full, yeah. And I eat it. Just go ahead and eat it.
I don't have the duck.
Oh, you don't have the duck. Darn. You
I'm
want to trade?
done. I'm done.
You're done.
Yes.
You don't eat the white part.
Oh, okay. So I just
You
need to
just eat the yolk.
I just eat
Yeah.
that black part right there.
Ano yun? Tunggay na.
God.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Just
hold on.
toss it back.
Hold on. I'm trying to get it. Okay, all right.
One time.
So you just
Shoot all.
like
that.
so. This
The black one. Yes.
the black it will come out.
Yeah.
Oh God.
1, 2, 3. All right.
It's not coming out.
Try harder. Oh yeah. That's a baby duck. How does it taste?
Yeah.
It's a baby duck.
Yeah, it's a baby duck, dude. Holy shit. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay.
More salt or vinegar?
And you're gonna feel like, oy, tuloy to sa balagtas mamaya.
Oh, yeah.
Brian.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so then,
Also the yellow.
yeah.
Yeah, you eat the yellow part. That's the good part. It's just like an egg. Oy, tuloy rin sa balagtas mamaya.
Good. Oh, it is. It's not bad tasting. It is
I told
not,
you.
But it's not.
It's just an egg yolk, basically. Hard-boiled egg. You gotta eat that part. That's the...
That's a baby duck.
Do I have to eat more of it?
Yeah, you have to eat all of it.
I'm not eating all of this.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
Why?
I'm not. I'm just not.
Hindi na mainit.
Oh man. Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Not this, the white.
Kaya ano yata yung...
The yellow part.
Eat the yellow part right there.
Okay.
Yan.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then this part.
Okay. Oh my
Baby duck.
god.
Yes.
Yeah. You already ate it. You said doesn't taste bad.
You go to the... It's a hairy baby duck.
Just swallow.
The baby duck
my
is
God.
very
You're a real
hairy.
Filipino now.
Yeah. Give me some of this. Please, give me some of this. Oh man. Okay. Yeah. Yummy is not the
Ate,
word I
kawai.
would use, but
Kawai,
Yun.
makikita ka sa Amerika.
yo, man. Yeah.
May YouTube channel to. Yun.
Pinagpapalit.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nagpapawisan daw eh.
Okay. Well,
Eat more, eat more.
all right. I think I'm about done.
No, it's not. You gotta eat that pork.
Leave the white part. Oh, that's the head of the baby duck.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Master.
Oh man, this is so great. Yeah, I know. Oh my goodness.
That's you're already worse than that
That's
one.
the head.
Okay, yeah, the head.
The head of the baby duck.
Yeah. Palakpak natin. Yeah.
Okay, all right. Please be done.
Put more salt, they said. Dinamihan na, lahat na. Oh, she said one more.
No. Thank you. No more.
Tuloy tayo sa balagtas mamaya. Tuloy na yun eh.
I'm not into this. Oh my gosh, this is delicacy here, and that's what's so crazy about it.
Yeah, get that pork.
I know. I'm not gonna eat that part. I'm eating this part right here, and then I'm done.
You gotta eat that pork.
No, I'm eating this part right here, and I'm done.
Yellow part. Chase it with that. The yellow part's the best part.
Not the white part.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done.
Cut na ba? Cut na?
I'm done.
Oh. Why? What do you think?
It is not.
As bad as you thought.
Yeah, definitely not. It actually, if I didn't know what I was eating, I might like it. It's just the fact that it was bacon.
Oh, bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank
Oh,
you.
thank
so
you,
much.
thank you.
Salamat.
Kano po yan?
The chicken intestines.
There we go, right there.
Chitlins.
Yeah,
Filipino style
Nice
chitlins.
vinegar sauce. Tastes pretty good. Tastes very good, actually.
Told you.
As long as you cook it right, tastes good.
You just gotta grill it.
Yeah. Awesome.
This is good with beer.
Yeah, I bet it is.
What do you think? Good?
Good. Very good. Next, I'm gonna try a deep fried pepper. It's called dynamite. All your typical street food dishes. Skewers of barbecue and pig intestine. Liver, all sorts. So you have pork blood, isaw, which is chicken intestine, barbecue pork, barbecue chicken, just regular pork barbecue, pork ears, pork cheek, and last but not least, pork liver. Yum.